A fun holiday photo booth props activity with the free printable keeps kids busy for hours. They can make and collect their own photo props for a photo booth, then take pictures with friends and family as holiday keepsakes. The free printable gives you some prop ideas, and then you can either gather from your house or a thrift store some other things like hats and scarves. Copy off the free printable on cardstock paper so it's a little bit heavier. Then the props will stand up better. The kids can decorate them and cut them out, and then we'll mount them either on giant craft sticks, or you can use the skewers that you would use for food if you take the points off. I think I'm going to use a mustache or these lips and a hat of some sort. So let's color in our silly mustache. Cut each of the props out on the black outside line. You don't have to cut exactly around each leaf. You can kind of round them off and leave a little bit of white paper. So you can use the large craft sticks, and those would be very easy to handle for younger children, or you could use the small dowel sticks, which are for bigger children probably, because they're easier to break. So if we're using the small dowel rod, then I'm going to go to the back and I'm going to put some hot glue on here, and then I'm going to cut a piece of paper that I can glue over that to make it a little stronger. Okay, so let's give this a try. Lay a nice line of glue here to put the stick on, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of extra glue and put this piece of paper over it to kind of help hold that in place. Careful not to burn your hands, of course. And there we have it. So we can hold that up in front of our face. And then with the larger dowel rod, we're going to use that on this one by gluing it on here. And that would be very easy for small children to hold on to. So here's another fun thing you can do. If you have one of these party whistles, I don't actually know what you call these. You can poke a hole in the mouth and put that through there, and then use that to hold your mouth piece, and you can blow this just for fun. Finish up your props, gather up other scarves, funny hats, whatever you might have around your house that you could use for photo props. Grab your cameras and you can set up a photo booth and invite your family and friends in to take their photos. Send them to them as a party keepsake, either for New Year's or a birthday party or anything that you'd like to do. A fun do-it-yourself holiday photo booth props activity will be a blast for any party. For more great ideas, come on over to welcometananas.com and join the fun.